In southeastern Turkey, Göbekli Tepe, a seemingly unremarkable hill, quietly guarded its secrets for millennia. For generations, its secrets remained hidden beneath the soil. Local farmers occasionally unearthed strange stones, dismissing them as remnants of a forgotten cemetery. Beneath its unassuming exterior lay a complex structure. In 1994, archaeologist Klaus Schmidt recognized the site's true significance. Schmidt understood this was a carefully constructed man-made mound. Schmidt sensed he was on the verge of a discovery that could rewrite human history. As excavations began, massive T-shaped pillars emerged from the ground. These towering pillars were arranged in circles, forming interconnected monuments. They were elegantly carved with intricate details. The sheer scale of the construction was astonishing. The hill concealed a secret of profound importance. As the sun sets, the stones cast long shadows. No written words adorn these stones, no pottery shards litter the site, and no evidence of domesticated animals can be found. Only these enigmatic stones remain as their enduring message. This was a place of gathering, ceremony, and ritual. The people who built it left only these enigmatic monuments. Göbekli Tepe stands as a powerful symbol of a shared purpose. The structures at Göbekli Tepe represent a radical departure from what we thought we knew about early humans. Towering T-shaped pillars, some over 5 meters tall, form circles and ovals that hint at ritual. These pillars are stylized human figures with arms, hands, and fox-pelt loincloths carved in stone. They may represent ancestors or supernatural guardians, watching over ancient ceremonies. The pillars are alive with reliefs of wild animals, foxes, boars, snakes, and vultures, reflecting a time before agriculture. Each carving hints at a forgotten mythology, a glimpse into a vanished worldview. The artistry is remarkable, demonstrating a mastery of stoneworking techniques. The sheer number and quality of these carvings speaks volumes about the importance of this site. This was a monumental undertaking, requiring significant resources and manpower. These stone giants stand as a congregation, bearing witness to a lost spiritual world. Their presence still commands awe, a testament to the enduring power of human creativity. Göbekli Tepe, built around 9,600 BC, challenges our understanding of human history. It predates Stonehenge and the pyramids of Giza by millennia, forcing us to reconsider the timeline of human development. This was the pre-pottery Neolithic period, before writing, pottery, or the wheel. Göbekli Tepe was built by hunter-gatherers, challenging the belief that agriculture was the catalyst for civilization. A ceremonial center arose before farming, suggesting shared ritual practices motivated people to settle and innovate. The builders used basic tools to quarry, transport, and erect massive stones. Some enclosures align with celestial events, hinting at a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. Göbekli Tepe reveals intellect and ambition, forcing us to re-evaluate early humans' capabilities. To grasp Göbekli Tepe's significance, we must see it in context. It predates Jericho's famous wall by over 1,000 years, and unlike Jericho, it was never a settlement. No houses, no hearths, just a place for gathering. Later sites like Catalhoyuk show settled life and ritual intertwined, but Göbekli Tepe came first. It suggests that complex symbolic life may have sparked the move toward settlement and farming. This site shatters the image of hunter-gatherers as simple or disorganized. Its builders had a rich inner world and could organize massive projects for ideological reasons. Symbols from Göbekli Tepe appear at other Neolithic sites, hinting at a shared belief system across the region. It may have been a pilgrimage center, a spiritual hub for many communities. Göbekli Tepe was the heart of a revolution that set the stage for civilization. What was Göbekli Tepe's true purpose? Evidence points to a temple complex dedicated to ritual and ceremony. The animal carvings, snakes, boars, foxes, vultures, suggest totems or clan guardians, not daily fare. Vultures linked to death and the sky hint at funerary rituals and beliefs in an afterlife. The site's possible astronomical alignment suggests it was also a celestial calendar, vital for tracking seasons and migrations. Rituals may have been timed to cosmic events, connecting earth and sky. It was likely a temple, a calendar, and a social gathering place all at once. Building it forged bonds and identity among diverse groups. Its construction was itself a powerful ritual, uniting people in a shared vision. Göbekli Tepe stands as a physical manifestation of a worldview lost to time. After 1,000 years, Göbekli Tepe was deliberately buried around 8,000 BC. This was no act of destruction but a careful, respectful entombment. The enclosures were filled with earth, stone, and animal bones, recreating the hill's natural shape. Why bury such a monumental site? Perhaps beliefs changed or a new era began? Burying the temples may have marked the end of an age or preserved them from a world that no longer understood their meaning. The burial protected the site for millennia, preserving its carvings for us to rediscover. It became a time capsule, a message from the past. The people who buried it could not have known they were safeguarding their legacy. Their final act ensured their story would one day re-emerge. Göbekli Tepe's deliberate slumber is a gift from antiquity. The discovery of Göbekli Tepe has transformed our understanding of the past. It reveals the intelligence, creativity, and spiritual depth of our Stone Age ancestors. Before cities, we built sanctuaries for our beliefs and ideas. Less than 5% of the site has been excavated, many secrets remain. Each new discovery deepens the mystery and brings us closer to ancient minds. Göbekli Tepe reminds us that history is a living story, always evolving. In its stones, we glimpse the dawn of human consciousness. To understand who we are, we must never stop exploring where we came from. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more fascinating history.